Any opinions on SPY today? Yes, because the PPI data came out the way that it did. We should have a green day. Now, I want you guys, now listen, I want you guys to understand something. SPY is like a damn clock. It'll go high and then it'll go low. Then it'll go high and then it'll go low. Like it loves to do that garbage. So that doesn't mean at the open, we're just going to run and all day and it's going to go up $10 trillion. Wrong. You're still going to use all the rules. Double tops, double bottoms, market, right? Pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. We are going to pay attention to key critical areas. You're not going to act a fool because you have a bias going into the market. I don't care if I think the market's going to run green till the cows come home. That has nothing to do with you. So I don't care what your bias is. I don't care if we think it's going to go one way or the other. You will trade the trades. That is it. I'm telling you right now, trade the trades. Don't, well, I think it's going to go up. I hope it. Stop it right now. When the market runs up at the pre-market, what will typically happen at the bell?
Sell off.
Profit taking.
That is correct. Okay. So the most dangerous time is that first 3 minutes. That's because it's everybody selling off and then it triggers stop losses and all the things happen and people are panicking. You don't need to be in that mess, right? If you're a new trader, wait 30 minutes. Wait for the market to settle the hell down. And then you get the volume come in at 10 o'clock. So settle down. Today is an account changer day. I'm telling you right now, if you don't listen to my sound, the sound of my voice, it won't be an account changer day for you. And I say this all the time and you still will not listen. I don't know why that is. Some of you are very hard-headed. If you are very hard-headed, go do 10 push-ups, 15 squats, come back and listen to me again. Because obviously you need to get a little bit of brain juice, okay? Go get the blood pumping. I'm talking to you. I'm talking right to your face. Some of you will not listen. Some of you think it's a casino. Some of you think this is going to be easy. And some of you are going to walk in here, lose all your money. We'll never see you again. And then next thing you know, you're going to be selling stuff on eBay and looking for the next thing. This is the thing. You're at the right place at the right time with the right people. Stick around. We could change your life.